Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a fantastic home decor idea for you using a waste glass jug, bottle, jar or container. Here I have used cracked glass jugs. Use glue and water in equal quantity and mix them well. Use this mixture to paste tissue papers layer by layer on the glass containers you want to recycle. Once it gets covered from all sides, let it dry overnight. It will become thick and will also bring some beautiful texture to the container you are using. Using acrylic paint, start designing as per your choice. On the first container, I am painting a fairy house. I used my imagination and started with painting a huge wooden door and some grey stones, bricked wall in red color, windows on each side, a climber with colorful flowers and also some more greenery for beautification of the house. I painted all the components I had imagined and outlining them brought depth to each of them. Door, windows, bricks, all were ready. Now it was time to bloom colorful flowers on green garden, and I also turned handle of this glass jug to look like a flowering climber outside this fairy house. It turned out quite well and I was very happy with the final result. Just have a look. You can keep this at any corner or in the center. It will definitely attract attention, or you can use it as a planter in your room. I wanted to keep the second one simple with light colors. This was also a mini glass jug that I covered with tissue and glue and dried it for hours. You can write quotes on it or draw anything of your choice. I chose mandala art using black acrylic paint and brush. You may even use permanent marker. I applied yellow, orange and red paints and also white over the wet paint to lighten the shades. Also merged them into each other so that there is no differentiating line between these three colors, and from top to bottom it goes light to dark. With patience and concentration, I started drawing and doodling in circular formation on all three sides. I chose black color to give it traditional folk art look. I started from the top by making triangles and filling them to create a border. I am creating a basic border design here using triangles and lines. It turned out well. On each side, one by one, I kept doodling and this was like meditating and I was loving what I was creating. The best thing about designing your own mandalas is that you have the freedom to choose whatever shapes and colors you want to express your mind. One doesn't have to be an accomplished artist in order to create a mandala. I started with a dot and then created some different types of petals. They were repetitive and they were different. I used lines, spirals, dots in order to create different types of circular formation on each of the sides. So in this one I created spiral and then I created a flower. Making this one was so relaxing and refreshing. The base color is so much soothing and black makes it look classy and elegant piece of artwork. I am loving it. I am really loving it. So on the three sides I created circular formation, circular designs. The third side is a dream catcher inspired painting. I made some lines on the lower side of the circular pattern. This looked beautiful. So this is how all three sides were done by me and I really enjoyed working on it. It was really positive. On the handle, I made a vertical design. It looks amazing. It was going with the pattern. It was going with the theme. On the lower end of the jar, I just marked with a black flat brush, a black border, and it completed the look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please drop your feedback and comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much for showering your love on us in form of likes. Thank you for watching and keep